The one thing is knowing that what's about to happen, but seeing the product and
it coming to life, you know, and it's not just words on a page anymore. That's amazing, and it's just crazy to think about how many people have worked on this production, and we're a part of it. Yeah.
I remember sitting at the premiere in LA. We're sitting in Paramount, and it just starts, and it's just like
your face.
First scene, it's just on screen, and then we come in, and it's just like, oh my god, also, I can't look. Is that me? Oh, no, it's just like
They
surreal.
kicked my chair from behind at the premiere. It's like, it's you, it's you.
How was it for the first time you see your face on a big screen like that? How was that?
I think, I was super uncomfortable at first, but also because it's not like a really merry, fun character. My character is not like this. She's having a hard time, you know. So it's also like, oh. And I remember every time I went to the makeup trailer in Florida, my stylist, she was like, I'm sorry, Aka, we're gonna have to make the raccoon eyes again. Like, I always looked like shit. Because Julia is either crying or outside or, you know.
Miserable.
Yeah, so I always like put it on this face. They put on this face like they just looked like shit. And I think people just got used to me looking like that all the time. And I was like, Isa, could I have like one scene where I'm like wearing clothes and and like look a little happy? And, like, no.